JetBrains AI Assistant tutorial. In this video, we are going to be talking about JetBrain, an incredible tool that not only helps you integrate into your IDE, but it also allows you to go ahead and improve your coding situations. I'm introducing you to JetBrains, a new AI-powered coding companion for you with coding assistance, autocomplete, and much more. An AI assistant is a natural next step when it comes to large language models deeply integrated into your IDE. Now, increasing your productivity throughout your coding workflow, it will make your life so much easier as you can clearly see. So let's have a look at some of its most exciting features, okay? So first of all, let's come up over here when it comes to the tools that you can use it to integrate it with. So first off, to talk a little about it, let's go over to all the IDEs and how it actually helps you. So first of all, when you're in these IDEs, you can see that you can help yourself with JetBrains on any coding platform, okay? So you have multiple codes to work on with JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Python, SQL, Java, TypeScript, and the list goes on. Now, what you can do in these coding situations is you can refactor your code. We write code, but we rewrite even more code. So how can AI assistant help us with our refactoring? So basically what happens is whenever you write a code and you ask it to analyze it, what you're simply going to do is you're going to copy the whole code line and simply, as you can see, it's going to give you analysis and quick fixes on the go. So you can elevate your code's quality as you go on. Then moving on, we have an integrated debugger as well, which seamlessly debugs your code within the IDE. So basically, if there are any bugs, simply choose the line of code that you want to debug, and it's going to do it for you. Moving on, you get project wide refactorings. So you can give yourself comments, give yourself different types of names for the projects, and so on. Now, the refactoring method is also one of the best things that JetBrains has provided people when it comes to working with their IDE assistant. You can also do instant search and navigation. So basically, if there's a code snippet that you're looking for, or if there is a file or resource that you have lost in your code, you can simply instantly search it through the instant search and navigation section that JetBrains brings you. Then we move on to the best part of it all. That's the AI assistant. So basically, it has a built in AI chatbot assistant that you can actually ask to do different things with. So basically, if there's a code you're writing and you want to see if there's something missing from the class that you've created in your code, you can ask AI. And if there's things that are missing, as you can see, it will give you the answers. And you can also ask it to write whole codes for you. You can ask it to fix errors in your code, find the errors in your codes, and so on. Moving on with remote development, where you can collaborate effortlessly on projects no matter where your team is located using your IDE's remote development capabilities. And finally, you also get a vibrant plugin ecosystem for your IDE to work with. So basically, that's JetBrains. Now, you're probably wondering, how will this actually help me, if I were to use it? Now, this not only streamlines all of your coding workflows, but it also helps you be better at coding because technically you're not cheating or anything. You're simply using an IDE integrated software to help you clean up your code and get a few tips and tricks. Now, you could go ahead and use ChatGPT if you want, but for ChatGPT, it's a hassle. You'll have to go to your browser over there. You're going to have to wait for it to answer to you, but that's not the case with JetBrains. So do go ahead and use it and let me know down in the comments how you feel about it. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.